Happy Friday afternoon, everybody. Okay, so I don't have this worksheet printed out yet, which is what kind of stopped me from doing the video earlier in the week. And I probably could easily go upstairs and print it out, but I haven't yet. Anywho, so there's an explanation of all of the different properties of central angles and arcs. But really, if you know anything about an arc or you've ever heard the word in general, it's just a portion of a circle. A minor arc would be anything less than 180 degrees. And the measure of the minor arc is always going to be equal to the measure of its central angle. When they say central angle, here's your center of the circle, and the angle in the center is your central angle. So if we were to put a little, half circle here and mark it as, 42 degrees, then it would be 42 here as well. Oh my goodness, sorry for the complaining in the background. All right, so here's your minor arc. The arc would be the outside of the circle. Here's your central angle, the measure of the angle in the center of the circle. Okay, almost like a piece of pizza. The crust would be your arc, and the point of the pizza where it meets the middle would be your central angle. Okay, I will address that later. I'm doing a video right now. Okay. All right. So they mention all of these properties up here, and you can refer to these at any time during the worksheet. So here's your example, the circle. They're going to often refer to the circle as circle R, the point in the center. And this little, marker, I can't think of the word right now, this right here, symbol, there we go, is the symbol for a circle. So circle R. This right here, as you should remember from the beginning of the school year, is a line segment, okay? This symbol right here would be a minor arc. Notice that there's only 2 letters. And then when you see 3 letters and a longer arc above it, that's a major arc. Remember, a minor arc is 180 or less. Anything more than 180 would be a major arc. So angle, that's the symbol for angle, ARB is a central angle. And the measure of ARB, so M and then the angle symbol just means the measure of angle ARB, is 42. So that means the minor arc AB is 42. So let me show you ARB. A to the R to the B is 42. That little central angle right here is 42. Oops, sorry. So if they had you label the arc, you would just put a 42 in between the A and the B. That arc right there is 42 because it measures the same as the central angle. All right, so the pizza crust is going to be the same as the very first bite of the pizza. Okay, that's central angle. Thus, the measure of major arc, ACB, so from the A all the way to the C, all the way to the B, that large, the rest of the pizza, minus this piece right here, that major arc is going to be 360. Oh my gosh, sorry, you couldn't even probably see that. So the major arc, A to the C to the B, it's going to be 360 minus the 42. Okay, it's everything except for that little piece here. All right, so if the piece I ate is 42 degrees and we know a pizza, the whole thing as a circle, is 360, you're just going to subtract that 42 to figure out what the measure of that major arc is. Okay, so 360 minus 42, they show it here, is 318. And because you don't need to use degrees for your arc, you would just keep it as 318. So you would say major arc ACB is 318. Now down here, they give you the angle measure for the central angle here, here, and here. All right, so this piece has a central angle of 115. This has a central angle of 60, so we're going to add those together to get 175. Then we're going to add this piece here, which is 105, so 280. So now that we've figured out that all of this is 280, how would we figure out this piece? Well, it's simple. The whole thing's 360. All of it except for this chunk is 280. So 360 minus 280 would get you 80. So this x right here would be 80 degrees. All right, it says find the value of x. And right here, they give you the degree symbol. So you just need to make sure that you put the degree symbol as well when you write the 80. So right now they wanted you to find the central angle. They weren't asking you to find the arc. Again, it would be the same answer, but without the degree symbol.